Can cats eat canned tuna? The short answer is yes, but only as a rare treat and not as a regular meal. While feeding cats tuna from a can is very popular, it should never replace balanced cat food. Is canned tuna safe for cats to consume daily? No, because human tuna lacks essential nutrients like taurine, which felines need to stay healthy. Eating too much of it can lead to malnutrition. Furthermore, there is a risk of mercury poisoning if your pet eats ocean fish too often. Another issue is that plain tuna packed in oil contains too much fat, while tuna in brine has high salt levels. Both can cause stomach upset. If you want to know if cats can have canned tuna safely, offer just a single spoonful of plain tuna packed in water once a week. Also, be careful because some felines become addicted to the strong smell and start refusing their normal food. If you notice any health issues or have concerns about your pet's diet, always consult a qualified veterinarian.